Ready to take your FAA writtens and/or orals? Check out this essential study guide for Airframe Inspection, your secret weapon for acing that FAA airframe license. Question 1. An aircraft may be flown beyond the 100-hour inspection requirements to reach a place where the inspection can be accomplished, provided it does not exceed 10 flight hours. Where would you find the recommended statement for recording the approval or disapproval for return to service of an aircraft after a 100-hour or annual inspection? 14 CFR Part 91. An aircraft that is due an annual inspection may be flown for a period of time not to exceed 10 hours. Which statement is correct regarding an aircraft that is found to be unairworthy after an annual inspection due to an item requiring a major repair, assuming approved data is used to accomplish the repair? An appropriate rated mechanic or repair station may repair the defect and approve the aircraft for return to service. The maximum time a 100-hour inspection may be extended is 10 hours. For an individual, not a repair station, to conduct a complete 100-hour inspection on an aircraft and approve it for return to service requires a mechanic certificate with Airframe and Powerplant rating with an inspection authorization. Which statement about airworthiness directives ADs is true? Compliance with an AD is not mandatory unless the aircraft affected is for hire. Large airplanes and turbine-powered multi-engine airplanes operated under 14 CFR Part 91. General operating and flight rules must be inspected in accordance with a continuous airworthiness program, CAMP, authorized under Part 91 Subpart E. Radio equipment installations made in accordance with supplement type certificate data require approval for return to service by the holder of an inspection authorization. When overhauling electrical equipment, all necessary information should be obtained from Illustrated Parts Manual for the aircraft. Airworthiness directives ADs are designed to notify the aircraft owners and other interested persons of unsafe conditions and prescribes the condition under which the product may continue to be operated. Where would you find the operating conditions that make a 100-hour inspection mandatory? AC 43-13-2A. Which statement is correct when an aircraft has not been approved for return to service after an annual inspection because of several items requiring minor repair? An appropriately rated mechanic may repair the defects, but an IA must approve the aircraft for return to service.